If you want Excel to stop saving files in the wrong place, or you just want to set a folder that makes more sense for your workflow, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the default save location in Excel step by step, so every new workbook can be saved where you want it to go. This is a simple setting, but it can save you a lot of time if you're constantly clicking through folders every time you save a file. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Excel tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel launches, open a blank workbook. You can do this from the Start screen or from the File menu if Excel opens differently on your device. The reason we start with a blank workbook is so we can get into the main Excel settings and change the save preferences from inside the program. Now look at the top left corner of Excel and click File. This opens the Backstage view, where Excel keeps the main app settings, account options, and save preferences. From here, scroll if needed and click Options. This will open the Excel Options window, which is where you can customize how Excel behaves. Inside the Excel Options window, look at the menu on the left side and click Save. This section controls all of the saving related settings for Excel. Once you're in the Save menu, find the setting called Default Local File Location. This is the exact field that controls where Excel stores files by default on your computer. Now click inside that box and enter the folder path you want Excel to use. You can type a location directly or browse to the folder first and copy the path if that's easier. For example, you might want to save files and documents on your desktop, in a folder on your D drive, or in any other location that works best for you. The goal is to point Excel to the folder you want it to use every time you save locally. After you've entered the new folder location, double check that it looks correct. Make sure the path points to the exact folder you want, because this setting will affect where Excel starts saving files by default. Once everything looks good, click OK at the bottom of the window to apply the change, and that's it. Excel will now use your new default save location for local files, which means less searching, less clicking, and a much smoother workflow every time you save a workbook. If you ever need to change it again, just come back to the same save settings and update the folder path. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this. That helps the channel a lot and makes sure you don't miss the next simple fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.